Hello, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Cancer, tignan natin o na mensahe ninyo, devil energy. Ayan, there is a presence of temptation dito, Cancer. So, this could be anything, no? Baka temptation ito sa food, no? Baka mayroon kayong mga bawal kainin, bawal inumin, no? Maaaring ganon. At baka matempt kayo sa ngayon. Ano pa naman, holiday season pa naman, maraming party, okasyon, ano? So, it's all up to you and how you're going to navigate that situation. At baka maaari din na matempt kayo, no, to shop, 'di ba? Mag-spend ng maraming pera na baka maging out of control na kayo, no? Yung ganon. So there is a temptation dito, no, for you to bahala kayo kung paano ninyo ito i-manage, you know. You know pretty much kung nasaan kayo financially, kung yan man ay about shopping, pagkakagastusan, no, yung mga ganon. Baka mayroong mga impulsive buying dito na maganap for some of you, kaya it's all up to you on how you're going to navigate that situation, okay? What else? We have Page of Wands. Merong mga magagandang balitang parating. May magandang balita, may mga magagandang sitwasyon dito na maaring dumating sa inyo, and that could be related to your creativity, no? Baka meron kayo ditong mga sitwasyon na kailangang anuhin ngayon, i-take advantage ngayon, lalo-lalo na yung mga opportunity na ito, because it could be related to, baka magsimula kayo tawag dito, magsimula kayong simulan ba ang trabaho, magsimula ng ventures, no, that is related to your creativity, no? Kaya maaring maging excited kayo rito kasi maaring ito na yung pagkakataon ninyo, no, na ma-express ninyo yung inyong creativity. We have Four of Wands, and this is a celebratory energy, Cancer. Okay? This is celebratory energy. This is a time to rest and to enjoy success. This is a time of tranquility. No? This is a time of harmony, prosperity, abundance. No? Maaari din na meron ditong mga reunion, kaya magiging masaya ang pamilya. There could be romance, no, na maaaring mabuo, or baka mayroong milestone ang inyong relationship, no, with your person. What else? We have 10 of Cups. Wow, napakaganda, no? This is domestic bliss. This is domestic happiness. This is joy, no? Sa loob ng inyong pamilya na mararamdaman ninyo. This is about financial and material success as well, no? Meron dito din na good health para sa pamilya, maswerte kayo, mababalot kayo ng swerte sa ngayon. Yung pamilya ninyo will be full of love, harmony, luck, yung ganon. Kaya masaya, magiging masaya ang lahat. What else? We have Ace of Wands, and this is a new beginning energy. Cancer, maaaring meron kayong sisimulang bagong venture dito, no? And that could be related to the Page of Wands energy. Baka yung offer na to, no? Yung news of offer na to ay para dito, no, sa something na related sa inyong creativity, something na related sa inyong talents, skills, and gifts, no? Yung ganon. So, whatever this is an opportunity that you are going to embrace, no? You're going to start something new rito, new ventures. Baka, ito, mga related dito sa trabaho, sa career ninyo, no? What else? We have a Queen of Pentacles. Maraming pera talagang paparating sa inyo. Maraming opportunity, no? Financial opportunities, no? At maraming pera ang dadating, Cancer. So, sa ngayon, this is about wealth. So, there could be additional financial gain na dadating, no? Mayroong financial success din na dadating sa inyo sa ngayon. There is financial security, no? Magkakaroon kayo dito ng financial security. And si Queen of Pentacles also is a very nurturing energy, no, Cancer? Kaya maaring ang iba sa inyo rito, baka nag-aalaga kayo, no? Baka nag-aalaga kayo ng elders, nag-aalaga kayo ng children, no? Baka 'yun ang trabaho ninyo. Baka sa pamilya, no? You are hands-on sa pag-aalaga sa inyong mga kapamilya, sa mga anak ninyo, asawa ninyo. Baka mayroon din kayong magulang na inaalagaan, no? Maaring ganun ang ganap dyan. What else? We have Two of Pentacles. Ayan, ang sipag ninyo, Cancer, no? You are juggling too many things all at the same time. You are serving too many masters at a time. Kumbaga, marami kayong ginagawa, no? Marami kayong pinagkakaabalahan. Maaari din na marami kayong trabaho, no? Baka here and there ang trabaho ninyo. May full-time na, may part-time pa, may side hustle pa, maaring ganun ang ganap, no? Kaya, there is an invitation as well dito na magkaroon kayo ng balanse or ibalik ninyo yung balanse sa buhay ninyo, no? So, time management, maaaring kailangan ninyong gawin dito para nang sa gayon, mabigyan ninyo ng karampatang oras at panahon ang bawat area ng buhay ninyo. Okay? Para nakakapagpahinga din kayo. So, we have King of Cups. Ayan. So, this is your energy. Ayan. So, maaari talaga na you are going to, to embody your energy dito, no? You are very calm, faithful, napaka friendly, emotionally matured, napaka-wise, napaka-caring. So, kayo ito, no? Cancer. Maaring yan ang that's what you are going to display sa ngayon, na qualities ninyo. And that's going to be felt by the people around you, no? So, good luck. Thank you for watching Lemon Light. Namaste.